Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 47 of $3 Crypto Habit. Here's a record of my crypto purchases on February 26th, 2025. As usual, Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, and XRP 10,000. This video doesn't just showcase how to buy crypto with small change, but also includes lessons about crypto, starting from the basics and progressing in depth. So, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to ensure you learn more about the world of crypto at a higher level. This will make you more confident about starting to invest. Before we get into today's topic, for those of you who like to ask what apps I use to buy crypto and whether I use AI, check out the answers in the description of this video. Today we're discussing a unique topic. Can Ethereum be considered a stock? Good question, as Ethereum is often compared to tech stocks. But the answer is similar but different. Stocks are proof of company ownership. Ethereum isn't a stock, but it can be used to access and run applications on the Ethereum network. A simple analogy: stocks are like owning a store. Ethereum is like having special coins for shopping at a digital mall. If you own stocks, you get dividends or voting rights. If you have ETH, you can stake it and use it to pay gas fees in apps. I'm buying ETH in installments not because I want to own a company, but because I believe the Ethereum ecosystem will grow even bigger in the future. If you want to help seniors around you understand crypto, share this video. See you tomorrow on XRP.